Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an incredibly special day because I'm going to unbox something that represents years of hard work, dedication, and passion. That's right, it's my first author copy of my debut novel. I can't even begin to describe the mix of emotions that I'm feeling right now. From the moment that I started to write this book, to finding a publisher, to holding this tangible evidence of my credibility in hand, it's been an unforgettable journey. All right, I'm gonna open up this thing. Cha cha cha. Come. Let's do this together. Da, da, da. Mm, Pretty tight now. All right. Okay, easy. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is my. I ordered for 3 copies, so these are the 3 copies I have, right? So behind that you will see my auto description. Right? Wow, nice. Wow, nice. Wow, cool. Look at it. Oos. Look at it. Great stuff. Again, I'm gonna start reading it right now. So I've left the purchase link at the bottom. So if you're feel interested to take a look and help me to spot, buy a copy or maybe a couple of copies of this novel, please do so. And if you already done so, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.